Hello, good day everyone, and welcome again to another vlog session here in MARIQUINA Conservatory. So you can just call me Snail. So for now, I'm currently demonstrating here on my vlog the website which is called Odysee, which is basically another video sharing platform that might be potentially serves as an alternate video sharing platform aside from YouTube. Now, as of the moment, while making this video, we all know that YouTube is the sole established platform when it comes to video file sharing. Unfortunately, the problem with YouTube is that it's monopoly. So sometimes if you post anything that is against other community guidelines or rules, as what you call it, you may end up being banned or your video removed, or in some cases deplatformed. Now, I guess that's the problem with YouTube because since they're the sole what do you call this? The sole website for video sharing platform. They can do pretty much everything that they want. They're pretty much what we call it a monopoly, and frankly, other YouTubers have also been recently complaining that YouTube itself is having a censorship, which of course prohibits, of course, your artistic expression. In some cases, YouTube also kicks other video content creators just because of certain copyright issues. Now, here, what I'm demonstrating is an alternative form of video file sharing, which is, as we call it, Odysee. Now, Odysee, as of publishing this video, is quite a bit young. It's just around probably 2 to 3 years old as of the moment, but it still has left room for potential. Or if the creators of this website, Odysee, put hard effort, and if they work hard enough, they could probably perhaps see Odysee as a competitor to YouTube. But of course, like I said, Odysee is still in its infancy. There's still much of it to be let's just say, developed. Now, for the moment, you can see I am demonstrating here on how to upload videos in Odysee. So it's a very nice platform, to be honest. You can see how I upload stuff here. And you can see also on their main homepage here, it's very similar to YouTube, of course, but YouTube has about 5 displays of videos. Here it's just only 4. Now, if you're using the web version of Odysee, it's pretty much it pretty much has similarities on the YouTube website. Unfortunately, if you're using the app, it's still, as of the moment, still in its in infancy, and it still has a lot of glitches and can be a bit buggy a lot of times. I've already both used both platforms of Odysee, even the app ones, but I still prefer using the Odysee here on my PC rather than my iPad. For some reason, their iPad apps is quite a bit buggy. Now, here on what you can see, they also provide a subscription or a service, just like YouTube. They're very much similar. Now, just to take note and have an additional information, Odysee is basically built on the library platform. Now, library platform itself is a blockchain-based file sharing and payment network that powers decentralized platforms, primarily social networks and video platforms. Now, video library creators also run Odysee on this. Now, like I said, Odysee is an open source video sharing file website that uses this. So in order to use, if you're going to post Odysee videos only, you might need some what we call LBC credits, which is basically a crypto-based type of token. Now, unfortunately, LBC type of tokens is really hard to come by right now because currently the creators of the Odysee are currently having problems with the SEC. I don't know the details on what is the issue, why they're having problems there, but the thing here is that they cannot sell LBC tokens directly to to the video content creators who are hosting videos there. Now, in my case, the reason why if you're figuring out why am I posting videos there and how did I get those LBC credits, I did get those credits from cryptocurrency exchange which is called Abra. So they sell LBC credits there, and from that on, I could just put on a little click here. I would just like the thing here is that I transferred my LBC credits from there to Abra to this website. So now I'm demonstrating here the how the video plays on the library on the video on Odysee. So yeah. So you can see here Vilma the Acrobat Kitty, which is well, of course I do like cats. Now, of course, Odysee platform is not 100% perfect video platform. It has its pros and cons. Now, number one pros of it is that a new platform that you can use to earn cryptocurrency for watching videos or doing various other things on the platforms. Less rules, and also it has less rules than YouTube, which has less now YouTube right now is having problems with censorship. Now Odysee is a bit more lax when it comes to that part, but of course you have to be reminded that that Odysee still has its own censorship, but in the sense that it's more liberal compared to YouTube. Now, and for the moment, Odysee has a very small pool of content creators, which means that your videos can be discovered easily using Odysee. Now, like I said, every pro, Odysee is not a perfect video-based video platform sharing. It has also its own cons. Now, one of its cons, like I said earlier, is that the app can be very glitchy, and another thing is that not everything you want to watch is there. Now, aside from that, it can also be hard to convince people try to shift from YouTube just to try out this new video platform, which is Odysee. Now, if another thing that I think another cons for Odysee video sharing platform is that most content creators only use Odysee as some sort of backup for their videos from YouTube. So they just simply they just use it only as a storage. Now, for now, Odysee also has a feature, by the way, just to mention. They have an auto-sync feature, which basically means that if you post a video on YouTube, it also appears on Odysee. But unfortunately, like I said, most content creators only use that as some sort of backup. So here, you can see on the screen, you can also make a comments. Now, one notable example on YouTube is that they've already removed the dislike button. But here, on the Odysee, they still have the like and dislike button, but not in the sense in the complete word. It's more like as what you can see in the middle of the screen, a flame, which means likes, and a splat, which means dislike. So, now, whatever the case here, Odysee shows a lot of potential right now for being a YouTube competitive. But like I said, Odysee is still a very young, as while publishing this, it's just still 2 years. So it has a lot of room for potential and a lot of room to grow up. And who knows, maybe one day video content creators from YouTube can migrate here and serve as an alternate YouTube video sharing website. So for now, that is all I can say. Like I said, Odysee is a good alternative video sharing platforms for YouTubers or content creators, and for me personally, you should try it out. Now, the reason why I'm using Odysee for the moment is that, of course, there's a possibility that I might say something in the public that the YouTube guidelines and policymakers would not like. For short, there's a possibility that my videos will get torn down or be censored. So for now, I'm using Odysee as well as a side of backup, but I also post certain videos in Odysee that are exclusive to Odysee video sharing platforms only. So I guess I've already described most of Odysee platform, and it shows a lot of potential. So I guess that's all I can say for now. I'm gonna leave all this browsing demo here on the screen. And again, this is Snail. Have a great day, everyone, and see you again on my next video platform. Bye bye. See you around.